Hi, this is Vinayaka. I am here to tell you few things about our health and wealth. See, there is a proverb that health is almost equal to wealth. Yes, our health is the wealth. See, we are eating unorganic food. For example, vegetables, fruits, whatever it is, we are eating an inorganic things. So what I say is, see, daily we eat vegetables, fruits and many other things to build up a happy life, say like happy health. But see, nowadays what happening is, whatever the vegetables, whatever the fruits we are getting in the market are totally inorganic. Why you know and how you know? They are using very dangerous chemicals in order to give for the better and good yield. Though the quantity of the production of the fruits or vegetables is high, but those are not organic. If we eat that, definitely our health will get spoiled. So what I suggest you people, see, I am a software engineer. I cultivate my vegetables, fruits, whatever we consume in the home in our own land. Yes, see, as a software engineer, I am able to manage my professional as well as my this agriculture stuff of thing as well. So what you need to do for that? See, all you need to build a house, and besides to that you should have a good space to cultivate your vegetables and all. What we need to do? All you need to spend is 10 to 15 minutes in a day to get vegetables and fruits your own. So what I suggest you, see, I will show you my house which I recently built. Besides to that, where I am getting all these vegetables in my land home itself. Because I don't practice, I have never practiced or I never buy vegetables from the market, because those are inorganic. So what you need to do? All you need to do is plant few vegetables like lady's finger, brinjal and that garlic, whatever you want to consume in a day, you just plant them. Please water them in a day for 5 to 10 minutes. That will give you fruits, vegetables as per whatever you want to eat. You just plant them, so that this organic vegetables which you are consuming are totally very healthy and you will lead a happy life. So you may ask me, as a software engineer, how to maintain. See, it doesn't mean what is your profession, you know, need not to bother, because in a day when we are going to the market, we are spending 10 to 15 minutes to buy the vegetables. Instead of going all the way to the market and buying the products, you just spend the same time in your home. Go to the garden, water up all the vegetable plants which you planted or the fruits which you planted. That itself will give you the production. They will start yielding one day. I will show you my garden, where instead of putting all the flower plants, I put just planted vegetables, and today I am getting very good result. So this is what I request you. How big your home is not matter. How costly things are in your home doesn't matter. What you are eating is what you are. So always go with the vegetable, go with the organic. So this will always keep your entire family happy. So if everyone doing the same, then no one will get diseases. If the food which you are consuming is inorganic, then definitely you will fall ill. So never ever go with that. I strongly recommend you people go with the organic. Just try to practice, or try to at least give a try to get the vegetables from your land itself. So when you are buying a home or when you are building a house for yourself, make sure there should be a space of around 10 to 15 or 30 feet of free land where you can cultivate your own fruits and vegetables. See, all my house is in the space of around 5 cents. In that, half home itself occupied half, and the rest half where I cultivate 5 to 6 variety of vegetables for my family itself. Just come, I will show you in details. Hi, this is my sweet home. This is the sweet home which built in 5 cents of land, just 5 cents of land. In that 2.5 cent of land is home. Come in. These all are organic, no chemicals put on it. Come, zoom in. This is lady's finger. There are no much plants, only 10 to 15 plants are here. This is how it is. And this is brinjal. We recently put this brinjal. It is coming now. In another 1 week or 2 weeks, it start giving brinjals. And also here, lady's finger. I had planted it like 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, and we started preparing brinjal curries in home. And this in Tamil we will call as peking kai. See, and 2, 3, come here. This side. Here, see. Here are totally 3. In another 2 or 3 days, these will be ready to cook. See, what else you need? And also I can show you. Come here. This is curry leaf. Curry leaf. This is banana. Come here. Organic bananas. And if you see this, organic papaya. Zoom. Organic papaya. Come here. Come here. Chili, green chili. You can zoom it. Organic chili, green chilies. And also I will show you organic mango as well. Come. See, organic mangoes. All these, whatever the different plants I had shown you, these, say like lady's finger, brinjal, mango, and this peking kai, all these vegetables are in my home, besides to my home, in this compound itself. In the compound itself. So how big, how costly the house is doesn't matter. How good your health is always matter. Always take food in banana leaves. These leaves will give you a very good health as well. So in Kerala, when I was in the Kerala, people used to serve the food, fried fish and all in the banana leaves. So when you see the Kerala people, they are very, very healthy because they use this coconut oil in the food. And also they used to do whatever the item they prepared, they used to serve in the banana trees. So always go organic. That is how you can save your life and you can lead happy organic life.